Okay, so what is this race all about? For this race, it's not like your normal race. We are trying to figure out how we can have the fastest race, right? That's like a race is normally how fast can you go. I'm also looking for the slowest race, okay? Fastest and slowest moving car. The way we do that is we are going to use a toy car, the one in your kit, to race down a ramp along different surfaces that you find in your house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through some of the materials you could use and how we're actually going to set up this race. There are two questions, though, that I want you to think about. What surface could you use that would cause your toy car to move really fast down your ramp? Okay? And then I also want you to think about what surface would cause your car to go really slow. Okay? Because again, we're looking for the fastest and the slowest. So let's look at some of these materials. The first thing you want to find is a long flat surface, and this is going to be your ramp. What I would recommend is using a baking sheet. So maybe something like this. Of course, you would flip it over. Or you could use maybe a whiteboard. So I'll be using this here, okay? The next thing that you want to find are 3 different surfaces that you can put over this ramp. Some examples include wax paper, maybe a sheet, tinfoil, a paper bag, a blanket. What I'm going to use is I have a really long trash bag. I found some tinfoil. And then lastly, I have a really gigantic roll of paper towels. So I'm going to see how those surfaces affect my race. Next, you want something to prop your ramp on. So let me adjust my camera so that you can see what I'm talking about. So if you look down here, I have my ramp, and you need something to prop it on to actually create that angle. So here, my ramp is steady, and I could have my car go down it, okay? Alternatively, you could use a pile of books. You could have a sibling hold it, okay? There are a lot of different ways. Either way, you want to make sure that your ramp is staying put. You want to make sure that your ramp is steep enough for the car to move. If your car isn't rolling down, you want to make your ramp more steep. Next, you want a timer. I would recommend using a phone. You can use an app on your phone to time your race. We're looking to time it in seconds. In your lab kit, you want to pull out your race car. Here mine is right here. You want to pull out your race car. And then lastly, you want to pull out your rulers. I give you 2 rulers, and they're both measured in centimeters. So you're going to pull out your rulers. Alternatively, if you have a bigger ruler, go for it, use that, it doesn't matter, as long as you are measuring in centimeters, okay?